Struggling with slow systems? Discover the Linux distro that's perfect for students on the go. Hi, I'm from Tech Talk. In today's video, we're exploring the best Linux distribution for students. Whether you're in school, college, or coding boot camp, choosing the right OS can boost your productivity, security, and overall experience. For students, an intuitive interface is a must. Linux Mint offers a clean Windows-like user interface that makes transitioning effortless for those new to Linux. Performance matters when you're juggling multiple applications, especially when switching between tasks like writing reports, coding, or even browsing the web. A system that can handle this seamlessly is essential for productivity. From word processors to coding IDEs, this distro is optimized for speed and efficiency. It ensures that even resource-intensive tasks run without hiccups, giving you a smooth and hassle-free experience. It works smoothly on both new and older hardware, ensuring your system remains responsive during heavy study sessions or multitasking. Whether you're on a modern machine or an older laptop, performance remains consistent and reliable. A great OS for students offers access to a wealth of free, open-source educational tools. Everything from LibreOffice for document editing to coding platforms and learning resources that make studying easier. The vibrant community behind this distro is another big plus. It's a space where users of all levels come together to share knowledge, solve problems, and celebrate their passion for open-source software. Whether you need help troubleshooting or want to customize your desktop for maximum efficiency, you're covered. From tweaking themes to optimizing workflows, the possibilities are endless. Active forums, detailed tutorials, and a wealth of shared experiences make it all possible. Regular updates ensure you stay at the cutting edge of technology, while the community's collective expertise ensures no question goes unanswered. It's a system built for collaboration and growth. In summary, for students who need a fast, secure, and user-friendly OS, Chosen Linux distro name stands out as an excellent choice. It's designed to meet the needs of modern learners, offering a seamless experience for both academic and personal use. With a supportive community and a wide range of features, Chosen Linux distro name is a top pick for students looking to simplify their tech setup. It's the perfect tool to boost your productivity, stay organized, and tackle assignments with ease. Whether you're collaborating on group projects or taking notes during lectures, this OS enhances your study experience and keeps you focused. What Linux distro do you use for school? Have you tried Chosen Linux distro name yet? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe to your channel name for more content like this and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.